Okay, day whatever. I'm here at Port Douglas, and currently we just woke up. We just had a good accommodation last night. We were at Lazy Lizard, so if ever you come by here at Port Douglas, you can try Lazy Lizard. It's not that uber awesome, but it's perfect. It's right. We had a good rest. They have free ice. They have a ref. They have a what you call this microwave oven. Unlike the first accommodation we had, which was in Palm Cairns, I forgot, Palm Royale in Cairns, where they don't have any microwave, so we can't cook anything. We can't do anything. And yeah, so right now we're at Port Douglas. We're just checking the place out, and then we'll be heading to the Daintree Forest. We might take a cruise. I don't know, but we decided last night to stay at Daintree Forest, so we booked a room. Unfortunately, we didn't have any solid plan, but we'll make it work for today. So yeah, so we're just gonna walk around, and then we're gonna look for something to eat for breakfast. Love the beach. Port Douglas Beach. Port Douglas Beach. That's it. Thank you. Okay, we're heading.
I think 1 kilometers.
Yeah, could be. Could be. So we're gonna look for breakfast in a few. Nope. Done with breakfast. Expensive breakfast.
Are you gonna die?
Awesome. No. Yeah, I ate crab. And the thing is, I'm allergic to crab. Yeah. We'll see how it goes.
Oh, pinoy?
Lining up for the ferry to... It's not that lining up for the ferry to Daintree Forest. Yeah. Waiting. $27 return. And $50 one way. Cassowary country. Beware. Careful of your dogs, because that big bird is gonna rip them apart. Look at those legs.
A search for something to compare you to.
I don't know the lyrics. Speak easy.
Suddenly, beyond compare. Speak easy.
It's not fucking focusing. There goes the barge. It's coming. What's the difference between the barge and the ferry and the jetty?
A jetty?
Jetty is the pantalan. Fuck. I didn't say anything. Escape vehicle. Info passengers to please remain inside their vehicles when the motors open and engage their handbrake. You shall remain inside the vehicle and engage the handbrake. Engage. Yep, we're running.
Di mana Africa mo na lang desert na in the jungle. Ay, in the jungle.
We've come across this rare species here in the rainforest. Ay, wala, umok. Gales, touch it.
Do not touch.
Whoops. Do not touch. Cassowary. Nice, awesome. Down here, better check for crocodiles. Try. 2 p.m. Quite inviting. Recent crocodile sighting in this area. Yeah, boy. Okay, so we rode the wrong bus. The bus was heading back. We got into it. The tourists parting there. That was really stupid and funny. Yeah. Sorry about that. There's something. Somebody's gonna just jump up and eat crocodiles. Yeah. Just me. So we are here now. We're looking for crocodiles. You know those. I don't know. We're looking for crocodiles. You know those belts, those briefcases. We're looking for them here. Yeah. Think of dipping your hands in there. Might be crocodiles around. Not now. Hope we can see some crocodiles now.
Cheer up. He's laughing at the back here. Right, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, wave to Kerry.
Yeah, last time we see him.
He'd be normally wearing his gold rugby union jumper, but he just hadn't got it on today. He loves his rugby union. So yeah, likes old chooks. Yeah. So brought it down and ate it. And 2 years ago, one came in from the ocean with a woman in its mouth. So I caught the woman just here on the beach and brought her in here and ate her. Yeah. Up the ground. It's there, folks. You see the aerial roots come down, taking off in that way. The crocodiles are solitary and territorial. One female every kilometre and a half.
No, this is not the normal river cruise. This is the crocodile cruise.
Hey?
Looking for the crocodile now.
What is it? Start looking on your left, I think. Yeah, 10 years ago there was more accommodation up here, but one of the mates. Little spot over the water, go up here to your left, and pigs, wallabies, dogs, dingoes, maybe a cassowary at Christmas. To this other one
Female.
in a minute, I just want to see what this male's doing. Yeah. Just try to follow him for a minute or two, because he's a big crocodile. Yeah.
Male
So
crocodile
4 metres,
there.
they can jump 3 metres out of the water on their tail. They go over the first 25 metres doing 60. You got your return ticket with you?
Crocodile. Female. Just a female.
Yeah, I didn't see him on that last trip, so he's just turned up there. Done by
Yeah,
dogs and stuff. The flying foxes, they're moving them out of town. Everything. The wildlife's just going, yeah.
What's another one there?
Underneath she's a bundle of nerves.
Yeah.
All the rest shot. Yeah.
Teeth look pretty sharp.
Hey?
The teeth look pretty sharp.
That's good. Cool. So that was the croc. The tour. Yeah, that's it. Yep, exactly. Into the wilderness. Okay, we're in the mangroves area. And there's a crocodile here. There's a crocodile here. Okay, a bit of sunlight. That was too dark. What? Lines up there. Yeah. Just imagine if there are crocs there, just like in the movies. There'd be a lot here. But it's just me thinking. Nah, I don't think so. Just saw another cassowary with 4 kids.
3.
Oh yeah, 3 kids. passed by the road. That was so cool. So yeah, I saw croc today. I saw 2 cassowaries. We're looking for sharks now.